In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a ball joint on a Toyota Corolla. This is located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. To get started, we're going to remove our right front wheel. We're going to pull our hubcap off and set it aside. With that out of the way, we're going to locate 5 21mm lug nuts. Remove these as well. Now pull the wheel off and set it aside. We're going to locate our lower control arm and ball joint on the knuckle. We're going to start off by removing our cotter pin. Use some cutting pliers and pry it out. Grab the head and remove it. Dispose of this properly. We're going to spray the nut with some penetrating fluid since it looks rusty. And break it free using a 19mm wrench. Slide it over in place and break it free. Move your wrench and remove the nut. Set it aside. We're going to move on under the ball joint and remove the 3 17mm fasteners. Now pull the control arm down. Separate the ball joint and set it aside. To remove our ball joint from the knuckle, I'll be using a ball joint removal tool. You could also strike the edge of the knuckle with a hammer or strike the ball joint itself with an air hammer pointing down. I'm going to slide the tool over. Ensure it's fully seated on the knuckle and on top of the stud of the ball joint, and tighten it using my 24mm. Hold it up while you remove it as it could pop out. And continue removing it. And there it is. Now to install our ball joint. Put it into place. And hand thread it on the fastener. Push it up and slide the control arm under. We're going to insert our studs from the ball joint into the control arm and hand thread on our fasteners. Install your bolt and the 2 fasteners. Snug these down. We're going to torque these down to 97 foot-pounds. With our ball joint now reinstalled, we can snug down our cast nut, insert your wrench, and tighten it down. Now that it's snug, we are going to go a quarter turn. On the back side, on the stud, we have a hole for our cotter pin. We're going to line the tabs on the castle nut so that aligns for both sides. So turn it until it does. Now that the holes are aligned, we can install our cotter pin. Insert your cotter pin. Once it's inserted, twist it. Now continue twisting them and pull the tabs out. Once they are spread out, secure them with a hammer. And push it in. Let's reinstall our right front wheel. Put it into place. And install your lug nuts. We're now going to snug these down in an alternating pattern. We're going to torque these down to 76 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. Reinstall your hubcap, align the valve stem up with the cutout on the hubcap, and push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.